Hi guys, and welcome everybody to this very special day. I hope that you are ready for the all-new Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron, because in just a few moments we are going to reveal this brand new Audi concept car exclusively for you. Now I want to encourage you to share your thoughts and your emotions with the Audi universe in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. The clock is ticking, so let's set the mood. Talking about an Audi concept car, of course, means talking about design. That's why we are coming to you directly from the heart of Audi, the place where automotive dreams come true, the new and top secret Audi Design Center. Now this place right here just smells like future, and the future definitely is electric. Now, what do you guys think about these two performance wonders right behind me? The two new e-tron models that both just launched. And now it's time for the next big launch of an electric Audi. And this new e-tron has brains and definitely looks.
Audi is design. It always has been. It always will be. We all know the future is electric. But what does that mean for design? What will the future of design look like? And finally, how is Audi design turning into Audi e-design?
Now that is a very good question, and who better to ask than the mastermind behind the brand design, Audi head designer 𝗙𝗿𝗏. We are going to meet him in the most confidential area of the Audi Design Center. Behind this door, this is where Audi keeps its most valuable secrets. Probably less than 50 people in the world have access to the area, and today, you are one of them. Let's go. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Tyron.
It's nice to meet you here. Thank you very much for sharing some of your time so shortly before the big world premiere today. I want to know something from you. How is Audi design turning into Audi e-design?
You know, it's a complete different approach. In the past, the combustion engine has been the heart of the car. On an e-tron, the battery pack is the heart of the car, which is located in the floor. And this means you need a long wheelbase, it's changing the proportion of the car, the interior space is getting bigger. And what's very important is that you know this very well-known single frame. And it's not a radiator anymore, and an e-tron, it's because you don't need that much cooling. That's why we came up with a clever idea to invert the single frame by color. So it's a bright painted surface, a sensor rack, integrated in dark surrounding. And from far away, you can recognize immediately that's an e-tron.
It sounds to me like e-design allows for a lot of creative freedom.
Of course, and we took this chance and this flexibility, this freedom when we designed the Q4 Sportback e-tron concept, and you will see this in a few seconds.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
And now the time has come. Let's see the fruits of this passionate labor. The moment we've all been waiting for. Here it is, the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron concept.
Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron concept.
Wow, I really like this new concept. It looks sharp, it looks extremely powerful. What do you like most? Let us know in the comments below. And to find out why this car looks that fantastic, here's designer 𝗙𝗿𝗏𝗏 with all you need to know.
This is the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron concept. it's a Q, it's a Sportback. It's an e-tron. From 100 meters away, you can clearly see it's an electric Audi. The inverted phase. An electric car needs less air. So we were able to close our famous single frame. We covered it and brightened it up and put it into a black mask. It's a Q model. We have big wheels, short overhangs and strong quattro muscles on top of all four wheels. The slim cabin sitting on the wide shoulders, this Sportback roofline and the position of the spoiler. This is not just looking very, very sporty, it helps to reduce the drag coefficient. The interior fits perfectly to the sporty exterior, bold 3D applications, augmented head-up display. It's heavily driver-oriented. And so this car combines in a perfect way nice aesthetics with efficiency. I'm really looking forward to see this car on the road.
Good point, Philip. A beauty like this is just made for the road. So let's have a look. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have the same burning question than me. Will this beauty only remain a show car? Now let's ask the CEO of Audi himself, Mr. Markus Duesmann. Hi Markus, and thank you for joining us at this world premiere today. I want to know from you, will the Q4 Sportback e-tron concept make it into series production?
I also really like it, and I'm convinced so will our customers. It will go into production in less than a year, and so 2021 will be a very exciting year for the e-tron models. The Q4 SUV and the Sportback will be delivered to our first customers in summer 2021.
That's amazing news. I'm sure that a lot of Audi fans will be very excited. Now, what role does the Q4 e-tron play in the electrification strategy of Audi?
This car is a cornerstone of our electrification strategy. Sustainability remains non-negotiable for us, and we are certainly sticking to our CO2 targets. Therefore, we want to inspire more people to choose electric cars. The Q4 e-tron and the Q4 Sportback e-tron are important steps in this direction. They will be our first premium electric volume SUV and a gateway into the progressive premium segment. In addition, they are based on the VW Group's MEB platform. This means we are using the group's full power and entire technical experience for a new electric Audi.
Thank you, Markus, for these insights. All right, guys, this was the latest launch of an Audi electric model, a car that has the best of three worlds: Q family, Sportback, and e-tron. I'm already looking forward to the next Audi world premiere. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.